Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into Krispy Kreme's latest filing. Get ready for some sweet financial disclosures because things might not be as glazed and delicious as their donuts. This report spills the dough on Krispy Kreme's performance, and it's got some interesting twists. This is an 8K filing, which is basically a company saying, hey, something important happened and we need to tell everyone right now. In this case, Krispy Kreme is letting us know about their recent financial results. The main event we are covering is the announcement of their financial results on February 25, 2025 for the previous quarter and year. Let's see if they were able to keep the donuts rolling and the profits rising. Krispy Kreme, based in Charlotte, North Carolina, is the company that is filing this report. Most people know it for its delicious and sugary treats, but we are here to look beyond the glaze and see how the company is actually doing. This section gets into the nitty-gritty of Krispy Kreme's financial health. This is where we see if they made money, lost money, and how well they are managing their operations. The company issued a press release about the financial results, which is attached as an exhibit to this report. Exhibit 99.1 is the actual press release containing all the numbers and details about Krispy Kreme's performance. Press releases are usually written to sound positive, so we need to look closely to see what's really going on. Let's check out the press release to see if they're living up to the hype. The report was signed off by Jeremiah Ashukian, the chief financial officer. He's the person ultimately responsible for making sure the numbers are accurate and that Krispy Kreme is presenting a true picture of its financial state. Now let's zoom out a bit and talk about Krispy Kreme in general. They are a global brand, but they're not the only player in the sweet treat game. They compete with other donut chains like Dunkin', as well as bakeries and even grocery stores. The success of Krispy Kreme depends on a lot of things, like how well they manage their costs, how effective their marketing is, and whether people still crave those original glazed donuts. Now let's talk about Krispy Kreme's direction. Are they expanding? Are they focusing on new products? Are they trying to cut costs? All these things can affect their future performance. Also, what about risks? Are there any potential problems that could hurt Krispy Kreme, like rising sugar prices or changing consumer tastes? Let's delve into the financials from the press release. While I don't have the specific numbers here, when reviewing those numbers, keep a few things in mind. Look at revenue, which is how much money they brought in from selling donuts. Check out their profits or losses. This tells you whether they are actually making money after paying all their expenses. Pay attention to any debt, which is how much money they owe. Debt can be a burden if it's too high. So what does all of this mean for Krispy Kreme? Well, it depends on those numbers. If revenue and profits are up, that's a good sign. It means people are buying more donuts and Krispy Kreme is managing its business well. If profits are down or they're losing money, that could be a warning sign. It might mean they need to find ways to cut costs, boost sales, or change their strategy. If debt is high, it could make it harder for them to invest in new opportunities or weather tough times. Overall, Krispy Kreme is a well-known brand with a lot of potential, but like any company, they face challenges and risks. Their success depends on how well they manage their operations, adapt to changing consumer tastes, and compete in the crowded food market. Whether Krispy Kreme's financial performance is hot and fresh or cold and stale depends on a lot of factors, and we will keep an eye on them going forward. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Krispy Kreme's financial filing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What donut-related company do you want us to decode next? Let us know in the comments below.